In this video, we're going to learn how to change the appearance and some of the function of your blog. So I want you to log in to the dashboard of your blog and look in the left column. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see an area of the site or an area here in the column called Appearance. It may be closed. You can click on the arrow beside it to expand it. Notice you have a few options. The first is your themes. If you click on the themes, this is where you go if you want to change the look of your site. You'll have a number of options here. You can browse through, at this point, 6 pages of different themes to see what theme will work best for your blog. If you want to see what your blog will look like with that theme, you can click the preview button underneath the theme icon here. So if we click preview under cut line, for example, it will show what my personal blog will look like. That looks pretty good. I like it. Now I want you to notice most of the themes have some sort of header graphic. We call this the custom header. This header is something you will be able to change. So if you see something like this on one of the themes you choose, keep in mind that you should be able to change it to customize it to your look. So I'm not going to activate this theme. If I wanted to, I can click Activate Cut Line up here. Instead, I'm just going to close it. I can click anywhere off the screen, or I can click this X button, this little X there. So that's how you select a preview and then select a new theme. The next thing you might want to do is change what appears in the right column or left column or at the bottom of your blog. Now, if we go to my blog over here, you'll notice I have 2 columns on the left. There's 1, 2 here. And sometimes, depending on the theme you choose, you'll also have an area of what we call widgets here in the bottom too. Now, those widgets are controlled with this widgets link here. And you'll see, since my blog has 2 columns or sidebars, sidebar 1 and sidebar 2, I have 2 areas where I can drop sidebars into, sidebar 1 and sidebar 2. Now you'll notice that they're both blank right now, and that's because the default widgets are automatically put into your blog. So for this theme, the default widgets are latest posts, my RSS feed, a search, categories, pages, and so on, which is actually exactly what I want. However, if I wanted to change what appeared on my sidebar, it's as simple as choosing a theme. So let's say I wanted categories to appear on the left column at the very top. So I just simply drag the widget box over to my sidebar, and I can give it a title. So I'll call this one categories. And then I may want to show my post counts, and I'll show hierarchies. So I'm going to then save that. The next thing I might want to appear there are my latest posts. So I'm going to find latest posts. Let's see here, recent posts. I'm going to drag that all the way back up, and I'm going to put that underneath categories. I'm going to call that recent posts. I'm going to save that one. Now you'll notice if I change, or if I refresh my blog, this left column here will appear, will change. So now you see there's categories and there's recent posts, just as I have them laid out here. Now I probably want to put my search back, so I'm going to find my search widget, drag that one back up, and I'm going to put it on top of categories. I'm going to call it search. I'm going to save it, and then refresh, and there it is. There's my search back. Now you notice I've got categories here and categories there. Well, I don't want that, so I'm going to change the categories up here to tags. I'm going to put in a tag cloud instead. So I'm going to expand my sidebar 2. I'm going to find my tags. There's my tag cloud. I'm going to put that there. Call it tags. I'm going to grab my RSS feed. No, I won't grab the RSS feed. I might grab recent comments. It's always great to put in. Recent comments. I'm going to put my meta, which gives me quick access to my control panel. Oops. Meta. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to save that. And I'm going to put my blog role. Blog role are the links that I've set on my site. So I'm not going to show the link image, just the link name. Save it. And finally, the last thing I want to add to my sidebar is my archives. So I'm going to put that at the top above the tag cloud. And that's it. Now you'll notice if I go back here and refresh, I have updated my widget. There's my tag cloud, which isn't looking so great right now, search, categories, recent posts, recent comments. And that's how you change the widgets of your sidebars. Now, the last thing I want to point out under Appearance is that you have some theme options. Depending on the theme you choose, you'll have a little link that will appear here that might be the link to a custom header, or it might say theme options, or something else. So just pay attention to that. That's going to allow you to change some of the look of your theme. So you might want to change the link colors, the background color, choose what things appear in the home page, what categories or pages appear in the menu, and so on. So you'll be able to change that under your theme options. And that's how you change all of the appearance items on your blog. Thanks for watching.